If you want to remove people from a photo on a Nothing phone for A or for a Pro, first of all, we can open the gallery. Over here in the gallery, we need to find a photo that we wish to edit. We're gonna tap on this pen icon in the bottom right corner, and then you want to use this eraser icon in here in order to find pedestrians. After a couple of seconds, all pedestrians should be detected. There we go. And if everyone was highlighted successfully, then of course you can just tap on remove all, or you can tap on specific pedestrian that you can see on the photo in order to remove just one. In my case, I'm just gonna tap on remove all, and now we need to wait for the result. And there we go, they have been removed, so now we should be able to tap on this check in the bottom right corner. If needed, you can also perform a cleanup if you think that there are some of the things that can be adjusted. And if you are done with editing, just save your photo. And of course, we can save as a copy if you want to keep the original one. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.